My dear student, how are you today? I hope that you are all well at your house and attentive to your lesson. My dear student, now we are passing a very serious days. This is coronavirus. We should save our life from the coronavirus. If we save our life coronavirus, we should maintain the rules and regulations of these diseases. We should use masks. We shouldn't go to the mass area. We should maintain our life so nicely. My dear student, I am a teacher of Goga Kalyani Secondary School. I want to teach you from class 9 English first paper. My dear student, I find out page number 71. Find page number 71 from your textbook. My topic name is Unit 6, Lesson 1, Nepal, the land of Everest. Nepal, the land of Everest. My dear student, you are seeing the topic name of on the blackboard. On the blackboard, class 9, Nepal, the land of Everest. Nepal, the land of Everest. My dear student, you will find my teaching my YouTube channel MD Alauddin Goga Kalyani Secondary School. This is my ID number, YouTube ID number. My dear student, I want to discuss at first about some difficult words from this topic. I want to discuss and explain it to you. My dear student, listen to me very carefully. I shall move the camera to the left side. To the left side. My dear student, you are seeing some difficult word on the blackboard. I explain it to you, and after explaining, I shall discuss about the passage. My dear student, here you see at the left side that the first word Everest. First word Everest. Everest means highest peak of Himalayas, of the mountain Himalaya. Everest is the highest peak of the mountain of Himalaya, and it is the highest peak of the world. Highest peak of the world. My dear student, in Bengali meaning Sarbocho Shringo. Himalaya Sarbocho Shringo. My dear student, another is DT. DT here, DT means in Bengali Devata. DT here in Bengali meaning Devata. In English, divine. In English, divine. In English, divine, holy being. Holy being. My dear student, another word is charming. Charming. Charming means in Bengali monoram. Nice. That is very fascinating for us. Here, dance. Dance means shikto kara. In Bengali, shikto kara. Shok. Shikto kara. Shok. Kingdom. Kingdom. Here, kingdom. Here, kingdom. Kingdom means in Bengali Rajdhani. Kingdom means in Bengali Rajdhani. Realm. Read. Center of the administration of a country. Center of the administration of a country. Sublime. Sublime, here Bengali meaning is Mohimannito. Here Bengali meaning is Mohimannito. In English, elevated. In English, elevated, exalted. Elevated, exalted. My student, listen to me very carefully and guess the meaning of the words. Scenic. Scenic means noisargic. Scenic means noisargic. Fascinating. Scenic means noisargic. Fascinating. That is very charming for us. Here, treasure, অতি মূল্যবান. Treasure means in Bengali অতি মূল্যবান, সম্পদ. অতি মূল্যবান সম্পদ. Treasure. অতি মূল্যবান সম্পদ. The precious things of for us. Things for us. My dear student, now I want to the right side. I want to go to the right side. My dear student, you see the right side, you will find some words there. You will find some words there. You find some words there. My dear student, here tropical. Here tropical. Tropical in Bengali meaning Ushnomondoliyo, hottest part of the world. Tropical means Ushnomondoliyo, tropical part of the world. Temperature. Temperature in Bengali meaning Ushnota. Temperature Bengali meaning Ushnota. In English hot. In English hot. That is when we boil something, then temperature created. When we boil with the fire something, then temperature is created. My dear student, monsoon. Monsoon, here monsoon means Mousumi Bayu. Bengali meaning Mousumi Bayu. When the winds comes from the southwest, east corner of our country, that is monsoon time. In monsoon time, heavy rainfall. Monsoon time, heavy rainfall to our area. My dear student, valley. Valley. Here valley means valley means in Bengali upataka. In Bengali upataka, canyon, low lying area between hills and mountain. Low lying area between hills and mountain. Region. Region means Anchal. In Bengali meaning Anchal. In Bengali meaning Anchal. Anchal, that is a area of a country. Area of a country. Region. Climate. Here, my dear student, climate. Climate in Bengali meaning Jalabayu. In Bengali meaning Jalabayu. It is the total of 30 to 40 years weather. 30 to 40 years, where total of 30 to 40 years weather. When we make total 30 to 40 years weather, then climate is made. Then climate is made. My dear student, I have finished the writing of the board. Now, my dear student, I want to tell you another some words to you that is written my teacher's diary. That is, I have written my teacher's diary. I explain another something to you. My dear student, here another word, influence. Another word, you find the word to your textbook. You follow your textbook and listen to me. Influenced means প্রভাবিত করা in Bengali, প্রভাবিত করা. What make us to do that thing, what make something, that is influenced. Slope here, slope means in Bengali ঢাল. Up and downs, part under the hill, up and downs part under the hill, that is ঢাল. Range means পরিসর, that is region. Range means পরিসর, that is region, area, that is area. Highest here, highest means সর্বোচ্চ, highest means সর্বোচ্চ, highest means সর্বোচ্চ. Peaks here, peaks means চূড়া, here peaks means চূড়া. The highest part of the Himalayas, the highest parts of the mountain, Population here, population is in Bengali meaning জনসংখ্যা. Population Bengali meaning জনসংখ্যা. When we count the men and women of a country, and we give the topic name population, that is topic name population. Men and women, the number of men and women, that is our population. Rural in Bengali meaning পল্লী. Rural in Bengali meaning পল্লী. My dear student, that is countryside. Capital here, capital means রাজধানী, center of a country from where administration is going on. Inhabitant অধিবাসী. My dear student, inhabitant in Bengali অধিবাসী. Those who live or a region or to a country, they are the inhabitants. That population lives in area, they are the inhabitants. They call the inhabitants. Demographic জনসংখ্যাগত. Here demographic জনসংখ্যাগত. About population. Complicated here, complicated in Bengali meaning is জটিল. That we can understand easily, can't understand easily, that is complicated. Ethnic in Bengali meaning নৃতাত্ত্বিক. বিশেষ সংস্কৃতির অধিকারী. Tribal. A particular race. Caste means here জাতি. Caste here means জাতি. My student, another word is holy. Holy means পবিত্র. Holy in Bengali meaning পবিত্র. Sacred. Harmony in Bengali meaning মিল, সংমিশ্রণ. Agreement, accord. Temple মন্দির. In মন্দির, it is the praying hall of Hinduism. In Nepal, Buddhists and Hindus both pray with one place. Some Hindus and some Buddhists pray sitting a same area. Sacred here, sacred means পবিত্র. Holy. Sites আছে in Bengali meaning প্রতিষ্ঠানের নির্দিষ্ট স্থান. Worshippers here means পূজারী. Worshippers means in Bengali পূজারী, those who pray to God. Those who pray to God or Bhagavan, they are the worshippers. My student, pilgrimage, tirthojatri. Pilgrimage, tirthojatri. Those who go to the sacred place to pray, they are the pilgrimage. Combine here Jogsutra. Combine holo Jogsutra. The Hinduism and Buddhism harmony together and they pray to God. That is combined praying. Praying. Right. Right Asar Anushthan. Ritual. In English, ritual. Recessed, সর্বোচ্চ ধ্বনি. This is the superlative degree of ris. Cultural. Here cultural means সাংস্কৃতিক. That work we do in tradition, from our tradition, that is cultural. Ancient means পুরাতন. Ancient means in Bengali পুরাতন, old. Ancient, পুরাতন, old. My dear student, epitome. Here, my dear student, I shall tell it to another time. Elegant. Another word is elegant. Monoram. Monoram. Architecture means স্থাপত্য শিল্প. Architecture means স্থাপত্য শিল্প. Those who make or monument, any monument or a statue and they make design anything, they are that work are the architectural work. Refine culture. পরিশীলিত. That is very pure culture. Refined culture means পরিশীলিত সংস্কৃতি, that is pure সংস্কৃতি. Monument, স্মৃতিস্তম্ভ. We keep something is a things that make famous man, famous work, monument. Festival means in Bengali Utsav. That we do our traditional things in a year one or month one. That is our Utsav. That is the puja of Hindus, the Eid ul Fitr of Muslims. This is the festival. Dazzling here a Bengali meaning chok dhadano. When we see something and we get astonished to see that is dazzling. Nationwide means nationally. That work is done nationally, that is nationwide. My dear student, I have finished the explaining and word meaning of the topics. Nepal, the land of student. Now I have told the Bengali or English meaning some difficult words to you, and if you give the meaning, you can find the central idea of the lesson, Nepal, the land of Everest. My student, I am reading the text. My student, here some parts here, parts A, stage A and part A. Known as the land of Everest, Nepal is one of the most charming countries in Asia. The Kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. Another is B. Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of China. This small country has an area of 1,47,181 square kilometers. My student, southern Nepal is tropical lowland known as the Tri Plains. This part of Nepal has hot summers and warm winter. Here the temperature reaches up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rains drains this region from June to September. The center hills land, including the Kathmandu and Pokhara valleys, have a temperature climate and are also influenced by the monsoon. North of that is the slope of the main section of the Himalayan range. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. My student, listen to me very carefully. See, Nepal is home to nearly 2 crore 9 lakh 2 crore 90 lakh people. The population (2 crore 90 lakh people). My student, Nepal is home to nearly 2 crore 90 lakh people. The population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. Nepal's demographic features are complicated not only by dozens of ethnic groups, but by different castes. In total, there are 103 caste and ethnic groups living in this small country. The two largest of such groups are known as Kshetri and Bahun. Other includes Meghar, Tharu and Themang. Newer Muslims, Gurung and Damai. About 48% of people speak Nepali. Among other languages spoken are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu and Themang. D. Nepal is the holy land of Lord Pashupatinath and Gautam Buddha, where the Hindus and Buddhists have lived together in harmony for centuries. The temple of Pashupatinath is the most sacred Hindu shrine and one of the 4 most important sites in the world for Shiva or Shivas. Lord Buddha, the light of Asia, was born in Lumbini in Nepal's southern plains, which makes the sacred pilgrimage destination for the Buddhists as well. In fact, many Nepalis combine Hindu and Buddhist practice. Many temples and shrines are shared between the two faiths, and some deities are worshipped by both Hindus and Buddhists. The Kathmandu Valley is the richest cultural heritage center of Nepal. The 3 ancient sites of the valley, Patan, Patan, Kathmandu and Bhaktapur represent an epitome of harmony in urban design, elegant architecture and refined culture. These cities are famous for religious monuments, unequaled in the world. The 7 monuments zones situated within the valley have been named as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. F. Many festivals add dazzling color of Nepal's vibrant culture, which are celebrated throughout the year. Dashain or Dussehra is celebrated nationwide in October. This is the most important of all Nepali celebrations and includes the biggest animal sacrifice of the year. Tihar is celebrated in November. Other festivals include the Holi and Chaitra Daishan. Some Hindu festivals are the Haribodhini Ekadashi, Mahashivaratri and the Krishna Jayanti. There are Buddhist celebrations too, and those includes Mani Rimd, Buddha Jayanti and Losar, which makes the Tibetan New Year. My dear student, I have finished the reading the text. My dear student, now I want to go to the stage B. My dear student, here you see the B. The passage has 6 paragraphs. To the most suitable heading of paragraphs A to F from the list of headings below. There are more headings in the box than the paragraphs, so you will not use all of them. My dear student, here the paragraph is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Here 6 paragraphs. That is A, B, C, D, E, F. My dear student, here has been told you will give the topic name. What is the topic name of A? What is the topic name of B? What is the topic name of C? What is the topic name of D? What is the topic name of E? What is the topic name of F? You will give the topic name. Some topic name has been given in the 73 page. You will choose the topic name and you will keep it to at the head of the paragraph. My dear student, here I am telling the topic name. Here you see paragraph A, you will find the number 5. You will tell the number 5. That is a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. The headline, the topic name of the A passage will a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. My dear student, you see the passage A, at the first passage A, and the topic name of passage A will a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Now my dear student, I will go to the B. I will get to the B. B here list of heading, here 73 list of heading. You see number A, climate that varies from place to place. B, the headline of the B will climate that varies from place to place. My dear student, C, you go to the C. C, here C9. Here see the headline of the C9. A small population with huge diversity. A small population with huge diversity. Here D, you go to the passage D. D will be number 2. A land of religious coexistence, my dear student. And you go to the E. Number E 8. Here the 73 page number, you will find the topic of the paragraph. Paragraph. Here E is 8. He is 8, a rich spot of cultural heritage. A rich spot of cultural heritage. My dear student, F. F, here F is 7. Many occasions to celebrate. My dear student, you have learned, you have give the title of the paragraph, of the 7 paragraph. 7 paragraph has 7 topics. And you will write, you can write the title of the paragraph. My dear student, now I want to go to the C. Stage C. You go to the stage C, my dear student. Here C. Here C, my dear student. Here for each phrase below, choose the meaning that is close. That is closest to the meaning used in the passage. Closest to the meaning used in the passage. Close meaning. You will find the close meaning. Tropical lowland. Here tropical lowland. What is the close name? Here 4. An area of land having humid climate. A land situated on the hill. A area of land having humid climate. Ardho Jolobayu. Here in Bengali, Ardho Jolobayu. And land situated on the hill. On the hill. এবং হিলের উপরে পাহাড়। এখানে বলা হয়েছে হিলের উপরে পাহাড়। A lowland close to river. নদীর ধারে নিচু এলাকা। নদীর ধারে নিচু এলাকা। A land that lies at the foot of the hill. এটা পাহাড়ের পাদদেশে। মানে what is the answer? Here, my dear student, your answer will be the A. An area of land having humid climate, my dear student. And number 2, temperate climate. Temperate climate, উষ্ণ জলবায়ু. A weather condition of high temperature, moderate climate, a climate with high rainfall, a climate that is uncomfortable to live in. Here the meaning, a weather condition of high temperature, উষ্ণতার আবহাওয়া. Moderate climate. এখানে a climate with high rainfall, উচ্চ বৃষ্টিপাত. My dear student, here the number 2 answer is B. Here moderate climate. Here moderate climate. My dear student, 3 ethnic group. Ethnic group means tribal in উপজাতি group. Number 3, here a group based on their religious faith. মানে ধর্মীয় বিশ্বাসের উপরে. গ্রুপ অফ পিপল লিভিং ইন দ্য হিল ট্রাকে বাস করা লোকজন. গ্রুপ হ্যাভিং ডিস্টিংক্ট রেশিয়াল অ্যান্ড কালচারাল ফিচার, মানে জাতিগত এবং সাংস্কৃতিক আকৃতি. ডি নাম্বারে গ্রুপ হু বিলিভস ইন বৌদ্ধিজম, যারা বৌদ্ধিজমে বিশ্বাস করে. মাই স্টুডেন্ট, ইয়ার 3 ইজ সি, গ্রুপ হ্যাভিং ডিস্টিংক্ট রেশিয়াল অ্যান্ড কালচারাল ফিচার. এখানে রেশিয়াল জাতিগত এবং সাংস্কৃতিক দিক থেকে তারা ভিন্ন, সাংস্কৃতিক দিক থেকে তাদের এটা বিচার করা হয়. নাম্বার 4 পিলগ্রিমেজ ডেস্টিনেশন. ধর্মীয় তীর্থযাত্রী. 4 নাম্বার এ সেক্রেট প্লেস হোয়ার পিপল ট্রাভেল টু পারফর্ম রিলিজিয়াস রাইট. হিস্টোরিক্যাল প্লেস, ওখানে বলা হচ্ছে ধর্মীয় স্থানে যাওয়া, আর হিস্টোরিক্যাল প্লেস ঐতিহাসিক স্থানে যাওয়া. এ ট্যুরিস্ট স্পট, যেখানে ট্যুরিস্টরা ভ্রমণ করে. গ্রেট সিনিং বিউটি, যেখানে মানে নৈসর্গিক সৌন্দর্য আছে সেখানে. দি বার্থ প্লেস অফ ফেমাস পারসন, বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তির জন্মস্থান. আসলে এখানে এ সেক্রেট প্লেস হোয়ার পিপল ট্রাভেল টু পারফর্ম রিলিজিয়াস সাইট, এখানে 4 নম্বরে এ হবে উত্তর. My student, here number 5, elegant architecture. Here graceful work of building craft. Building এর কাজ, সেখানে বিল্ডিং অফ হিস্টোরিক্যাল ইম্পর্টেন্স, ঐতিহাসিক বিল্ডিং আছে. টেম্পল অফ গডসের টেম্পল আছে. ওয়েল ডিজাইনড এরিয়া অফ কালচারাল অ্যাক্টস, সাংস্কৃতিক কাজ আছে. এখানে 5 নম্বরে বি. এখানে 5 নম্বরে গ্রেসফুল ওয়ার্ক অফ বিল্ডিং ক্রাফটস, বিল্ডিংয়ের ক্রাফটস আছে সেখানে বিভিন্ন ধরনের. মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, নাম্বার ডি, অ্যান্সার দ্য ফলোয়িং কোশ্চেন. How many ethnic groups are in this Nepal? How many ethnic groups in Nepal? My dear student, here a dozens of ethnic group here, and another with another 103 caste and ethnic groups are here. My dear student, what do you know about the weather of Nepal? Weather, that is, weather means climate. What is the climate? Climate means এখানে জলবায়ু। কি ধরনের জলবায়ু নেপালে আছে? My student, what do you know about the weather condition of it? Here, my dear student, here the monsoon and southern lowland, the hot in summer and dry winter in central hill, they are temperate climate, my dear student. Yeah, southern here the southern Nepal are tropical lowland, which hot summer and warm winter. On the other hand, central hill land have temperate climate, my dear student. Number 3, many Nepalis combine Hindu and Buddhism practice. Explain this. My dear student, the harmony of the people of that is very nice. Sometimes they pray to Allah, they pray to God or Bhagavan with combinedly. The Buddhists, Hindus and Buddhists sit together and pray to their creator. Pray to their creator, my dear student. Number 4, which 3 cities of Nepal will you visit in order to samples of Nepal cultural heritage site? My dear student, here the three parts. By this statement, we mean that many temples and shrines are Nepalis in Nepal. My dear student, number 4, Patan, Kathmandu and Bhaktapur. Here 3 things: Patan, Kathmandu and Bhaktapur. Number 5, make a list of the festivals that are celebrated in Nepal. Nepal is the celebration gulo hoy. Tumra you read the passage and you will find that things. That is Dashain, Dussara, Tihar, Holi, Sotra Dishan, Horibadini Ekadashi, Krishna Jayanti, Moniraim, Buddha Jayanti and Loshar, etc. My dear student, you will read the passage and you will find that thing, find the festival and know about if you read the passage, you know the festival about the Nepalese. Give at least 3 reasons why you might be interested to visit Nepal. And my dear student, this is a sublime beauty of Nepal, and here is very nice temples are there, and we want to see the temples of and this is the mountain area, in the Himalayas mountain area. So I want to interest to visit this country. Also, you will list. If you read the passage, you will make a list. What is the very nice area of Nepal. My dear student, here stage B. Look at the advertisement of the package tour Nepal. Here, my dear student, here has been an advertisement for tour. You will find someone when you see the poster, see the poster, someone want to go to tour and take us, then they hang a poster to collect money and to inform which place they will go. They will inform us which place they will go, what is the money, what requirement money, and what is the aeroplane cost, what is the taxes of the airport, what is the go and departure cost there, taxes, and and there will be the dinner, breakfast, dinner, and the night hold place, and which place we will tour. All the things are written there, my dear student. Here, my dear student, you see that a picture, and now discuss if following statement are true or false. Give the correct information. Again, true false. You will tell the true false, my dear student. You tell the true false, my dear student. True false, my dear student. Here, the package includes the cost of traveling from Kathmandu airport to the hotel in Kathmandu. This statement is true. This statement is true. The package includes the cost of traveling of Kathmandu. Here the cost Kathmandu airport. The tourist will be provided breakfast, lunch and dinner. The tourist will be provided with breakfast, lunch and dinner. Here, my dear student, this statement is false. Only breakfast and dinner. Only breakfast and dinner they will get. They will get provided with the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Here, only breakfast and dinner. They will get the breakfast and dinner, not the lunch, my dear student. Number C, the tourists do not have to pay extra for half day sightseeing in the Pokhara. This statement is true. This statement is true, my dear student. Number D, the tour operators will bear all visa related costs. My dear student, it is false. But visa related cost is taxes from Dhaka to Kathmandu. Is the airport tax. The tourist will give the airport cost, and when he departs from there, they will give the departure cost, my dear student. The number E, the tourist will go Pokhara from Kathmandu by domestic air flight. My dear student, this statement is false. When they reach the Kathmandu, they will ride the AC bus. They will ride the AC bus, my dear student. My dear student, here F, number F. Imagine that you have chosen the package tour shown in E to visit Kathmandu and Pokhara. Now write a letter to your friend highlighting the main attraction offered by the package. In your letter, you should cover the following points. My dear student, this is the letter. If you know the rules and regulation of a letter, you will write the. In my dear student, at first you will salute. You will write that salutation. Then you will write the body and the subscription, and you will get the subscription. So then after superscription, my dear student. At first you will salutation. That is my dear Habib. That is my dear Habib. And after giving the body, my dear Habib, I want to go to the tour to Kathmandu. It will be require 10,000 rupees there, and you will need the passport visa, and we will give the taxes. We will give the taxes Dhaka and departure time from Kathmandu. And my dear student, we will see the Patan, Kathmandu and Bhaktapur, and we will see the various kinds of temples there. And this is the sublime beauty of India. My dear student, there we will night hold in Kathmandu and Bhaktapur. And my dear student, we will see the sightseeing without cost. My dear student, then it is requires 10 days. It requires 10 days tour, my dear student. And if you want to go to the tour, you will come to our house and we will go to the tour with together. My dear student, there is no more today your ever Alauddin. Your ever Alauddin, and you will make envelope. You will make envelope and give the letter to the envelope, and you will write the right side to the address of your friend, and left side your address, my dear student. Now this is finished my reading. My dear student, I have told you various kinds of question to you, and I give the and I explain that I explain these things, and I want to tell you that you will maintain the law of rules and regulation of health. If and you will attentive to your lesson and keep your reading table, and you don't go out without need, my dear student, and you see my lesson in YouTube and in Facebook. My dear student, I have told that the Nepal, the sublime beauty of Bangladesh. Nepal is a very important place that is Himalayas, that are highest peaks of the world is situated in Nepal. And Nepal's temples are very fine. The sublime beauty of Nepal. And here the two religious men are there. They are Gautam Buddha, Gautam Pashupatinath. And my dear student, the Hindus and the Buddhists live harmony, keeping harmony with them, and they pray to Allah, they pray to God or Bhagavan sitting in one place. My dear student, what a nice thing there. Nice thing there. I wish to make relationship all the people of the world very nicely. One, I pray to Allah. I pray to namaz, and Hindu will give puja, and another religious festival, and we will meet one man together in, and we will love all the people of the country, of the world. My dear student, this time is passing a very difficult time, my dear student, and day by day many men are going taking coronavirus disease to the another world, my dear student. If we pray to Allah, if we love to the people of the country, Allah will help us, God will help us, and we will live in the world heavenly, taking a heavenly body, my dear student. Now there is no time to there. I have finished my teaching. Thank you so very much.